place are cool.
All the gas station locked down.
Mommy, I forgot to win.
So they make carry run out of gas.
I run the carry run out of gas?
No.
Yeah. You depend.
Wrong turn, brother.
What's wrong there?
How are we have to walk?
I was joking. I'm gonna look for him.
Oh, this is a gas station in there.
Damn, I saw the fucking gas station there so far. It's big and dry.
Oh.
So, for the.
Sell now, we go buy people in gas station. Eddie, where you go?
Mirati, Deno have gas waste.
I went to miss it.
Deno, they have Black River.
Eddie, last again. Bro.
You sober?
One Jagger, you know.
Guys, we lost. Eddie, last.
We're him with the banana. Chuck field with the banana.
No, use it.
No use it.
But you said no spot where I go.
Gas station, brother. Up there, so. One gas station. Remember, say gas station will come out. No. Probably lock off too, and chew down you look like a country. Remember fly past? Remember, me not look good enough fly past. Just about too much time, you know.
Big man, no, Eddie. So, you remember the turn off will go on?
Brother, turn off the right on gas station.
So now gas station, that is
But we not, no, and upon the side of the gas station there.
But we don't pass the gas station.
I mean.
That's our first
That's why I tell Deno make me drive, you know.
That's nobody no one.
Guys, we're now going tonight.
I want to.
We don't know which path we are go. Go back on that job.
One life me have.
No, I'm serious, guys.
And a many.
And it's a warranty of driving.
Alright, money too.
Yeah.
You can put our park in a motion.
Nah, this is for Deno.
No, man say do it for true touch.
But Deno know we can't drive.
I just want to know how far we reach up yesterday to see my son back.
Yo, can you wind up with
Another road there.
Eldina can't, Eldina window. Eldina can't wind up a window.
You look what?
You call your friend.
Crazy.
Guys, I think we'll be called jobbers.
No man, I know where we are.
No, where you go, brother?
Say we didn't know where I go, how we reach up yesterday.
I
look fake.
Yes, I already did chat to them and never did follow. But where we look at turn off there. What we did there in shock on.
Yeah, it's second. I did the second one, Jabba's pass. And go left.
So, how you reach up as a fast, say pass so much gas station?
I wonder.
Man go to Black River to run.
You remember your name?
Yeah, but I remember my name.
Guys, if we can't find a way, we could call jobbers.
I'm fine with you, man. We know where I'm going. But you see, through your top, come like a gas station down, like you lock off.
Deno, first left again, turn, Deno.
No, where you go, brother.
First left. Yeah, come up on you. Alright, see that.
See that? Yeah.
See you fly. I wait now go watch you.
Gas station, they out there, so.
No, I can watch you, did not go cause.
And then we go left there, so.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
You remember?
You remember your ass?
And then straight down, way down, so. Till there's one big truck.
Guys, I say I travel LD now. Just make sure you know where I go, cause me I tell you the truth. You go last.
And then they take the right.
LD no
take the left now.
Go straight on
Left
it.
now.
Tabo left now. When you have a key them?
Yes, I do.
No.
Yeah.
Which left? No. No, brother.
Alright, Deno, I will wait down in our last if we go in.
Down, so.
Deno, look now.
Guys, call jobbers.
Look on the map now. See phone now. See there, we down in our last if we go.
Have faith in a winner, mommy.
Faith in now.
Come like you have both.
Yes, the third one this already.
It's sure, dog.
Yeah, man.
Watch out. See,
Charge
remember?
it. And down this, so.
Alright, go on down
And
there
then
then. Because no turn after the down there, so Deno.
I mean.
Deno, take it turn off. Yeah, right place, man. Take it turn off.
No turn after
Right,
the down there, so.
no, take it turn there, so.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Take it turn there, so. Right place, man. Remember, we can't get in this code.
safe when you follow El Deno.
Look out for the house.
Well, man, already know if you take a ride.
Wait, man.
Because can't come so quick, man.
No, man, the house now.
But you see them in my restaurant.
Alright, you're supposed to be able to take a
How with the
turn up.
Ross?
A turn up.
Alright.
Push turn up when the man did take no turn up.
Yeah, you take
Alright, turn. Yeah, man, turn.
Well, I left.
Yeah, left.
I left.
No, right.
Right, the blood cradle, what down, mess up.
No, alright. Only listen to me, no, man. Deno, and we down in the last side community.
You know, make Jabos
See the
come.
turn
Yeah,
right.
brother, no call Jabas to blood.
Call Jabos, can you look like I host that they up there, say no?
Down in the last.
I host that up there, say no?
My house that.
Ne host that up there, so?
Deno, go.
Brother, go on up my house, there's a pussy one, the young blood clot, you know. My fucking house, I did there's a pussy one. Me not come now, we do not again. There's some young blood clot people. My house this today in front of Uno.
You have to finish.
No, sir, me can't do it.
No, Deno, another one.
I eat at the house this brother.
Me go with me some for sure, so I eat.
I chew my friend.
No, sir, me not do this. Me not come out with them. Me not come out with them tomorrow. Me not coming. Come drive in the car, I drive in. No, sir, me can't believe this to be alert now. Me not drunk and junkies. Drunk and junkies. Lock back in garage.
Tomorrow, Deno not drinking.
We know you can't drink tomorrow, man. I tell you the
I know
truth.
me, this money.
But I mean, at least
No, but listen now, when they rum, tell you he's a big dancer. What you say? When they rum, tell you he's a big dancer. Hey, they know when he's a big dancer. Hey. They didn't even drink tomorrow yet. I'll be a Malta, you go blood. Hey, take out the charger for me too. Oh shoot. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Oh God. Guys, take out the charger for me too.
No charger.
Me didn't carry no charger.
Nope.
The charger there.
Lock back in garage.
No, man, my next charger in there, blue.
Come with this.
Give me. I'm can't find the key.
My you they can't find the wall. You love look wall and can't find the wall.
Me no.
No wall that.
Something like that.
You love look wall. So find the wall.
You know?
My youth. The blood clot look girl.
Me can shine the light. Come can't find the wall.
Bumbo creep. My youth they can't find the wall. The girl not go want to in a jagger. You can't find the wall.
If you find one hole so tight.
You not even can't screw it.
What in a screw?
Tajay. Me bomba. Me not go to the again for true.
Wait a minute.
When they run, tell you he's a big dancer. Hey, bend up. So, you come in our house and lock the garage, you know, and tap it. Jagger, you're the head of the family. Make sure you please lock up, go lock the garage, use the key button.
No.
Jesus Christ. Oh, you come there and do chicken them, you know, because if you don't waste my money, I'm going to lick you down. No, I'm serious. You can't buy so much chicken and you not eat them. No, ask them if them not eat the chicken, you know, because if they take my money and waste it, a problem, you know. I don't care. You come eat the food. Yeah? But no, I don't know about you don't have chicken in the bag. Guys, I'm going to buy some juice tomorrow. No juice in the fridge. I'm going to mayonnaise. That. Jesus, I want something because I'm thirsty. Chicken in there? That's why I'm saying if you come eat. Guys, when you eat the chicken and stop act like a cow, you can't buy so much chicken and you not eat, you know, some can eat please. What? Bro, go your bed, the morning will pick up with that. I can't manage so much on. Where charger there? When Jay? Mika, me not a charger. They have my charger. Why me not go to so much young people again? Me not go to so much people. No, I'm serious. Me not go to so much drunk people because drunk on top of drunk are drunkies. Come, I go look charger because them have my charger and I go and like, I want my charger. But this bite, you know, when the rum tell you it's a big you. Oh, yeah, me alone for drink. Oh, God, I'm me alone for drink, don't know for drink. Yeah. Give me my charger. Give me the charger. I need the charger. No.
Why you come up here?
My charger in the room.
You charger there?
Bro, give me my charger, my youth, and top fucker. Yeah, tell them people to give me the charger. Give me my charger, no man.
My charger.
No charger, no English.
Me can go be charger. Yeah, charger to me.
Charger in the room. Come in the room. Come in the room. Go in the room.
I'm talking to my youth, echo.
Sorry.
You see, he's a first fuck.
No, I'm not first, but
But Mika room smells so nice.
That means it. When you're in your room, smell so.
What's up? Me and one cologne.
Give me one that cologne, because you spirit your room with
put on the
cologne.
cologne, man. Come on.
No, which cologne are you?
Come out.
No, this cologne?
Mommy, no charger in
This,
the
yeah.
I'm a black charger. Come
So
on.
just tell me, just, you are, just take time and talk. What kind of cologne are you use?
Are the cologne I'm buy today?
We can take it?
No, you tell me say you don't like it.
Give me charger then, give me charger.
Your charger in your room, you just
In there.
You don't say what tablet's ready to that.
But not tablet, nobody
Yeah,
just give me
we do
charger to my youth.
Mommy, your charger in your room. I just put it down.
I show me, cause show me.
Here, if you have two charger and if you want them, you can give them.
But me not have
Everything Mika TV for them.
Everything me cut TV for
Brother, oh, you have TV in your room and me not getting a TV.
So get a TV.
Yeah, me not get the TV either.
Because Amika, come out. Watch out, put on my perfume.
You said, no, me, guys, we're going to Jagger room, kind of people. So this is a Jagger room. Guys, this is a Jagger.
Keep out, we don't want to.
This is a Jagger room. This is a Jagger room. Jagger in a people room, so we're going to film room. But Jagger, now you have a fucking charger in here.
No, that's my baby.
So you have a biscuit?
No, I mean, brother, I'm score the things there in a brother.
You know, Kaje, I know she
cannot do this.
You know, say, I know mommy not going to fear room for
Mommy, go on in your room.
She want to come out of place. Come out.
I tell you the truth. They say if I come back up here, I'm not go and bad enough.
Come on.
Yeah, lock my door.
Find a way downstairs. Find a way downstairs.
Oh, no, come on.
Don't go to my room. Go downstairs. Yes, we leave you.
He said, me come back, but I said, me not a charger. Me go this year. Me tell people say,
Don't come
I tell people say, I can't buy you, me don't wipe my mouth.
People, if he said no walk,
Guys, only not eat the chicken.
a brand new this your amigo say go do the all.
Look for Ellie.
I don't know what yet.
Stop telling lie for me and don't
So
do
Mika,
that.
where you use?
What?
Where you?
Me no shit from me come here. Me no shit from me there. Me no shit. I make sure not play the camera for the lie for me.
Mika do that and wipe you.
Mommy don't tell lie.
Guys, everybody get a brand new tissue. You see it? Amika saying go do.
Me no shit.
I know it is you know what me guys.
Yeah, them people I am wicked in the world. Me a left ya.
Mika, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I joke. Alright, I joke.
I joke.
He might take it to see.
He might get muscle up. putting in muscle. Putting muscle.
You see, if you not do that to me.
No.
Watch how me expose on
No, I joke.
Man,
No,
I joke.
seriously. No, I joke.
Man.
Make.
Guys, I joke, you see?
Guys, I joke.
I joke, me I make man.
No, it's alright. No, I rum. When the rum, tell you he's a big dancer.
I joke with
Bend
fast,
down,
man.
he's a yeah, don't not do that again. I promise you. Look away. I'm sorry. And if I go on, so then you use the bathroom. Guys, Elina, avoid me. Guys, Elina first, you not talk to people.
Elina, pick up the whole like chicken. Thank God
So-
you mash up the corn. Wait, the more chicken.
No more chicken?
No more chicken, Taddy. No, Taddy, come now, Taddy.
From there, they say, little piece of bread to me. What one you know?
Look, that Elina, are you not supposed to eat those?
So what on there? One piece of chicken left.
I'm afraid to look.
Elina, better eat that chicken.
What one piece dinger? What one piece dinger?
Oh, my singer.
Big in peace, give me peace. No, only give me peace. No, guys, OG, man, I go, you know, I take on the zinger. You couldn't tell me someone zinger down here. Me may never know after me not go get no with it. No, sir. There was me like on me like out in the ras. That team me not like out in the bombo in here tonight, yeah. Number. You didn't take my charger for sure. Y'all give me peace? Yeah? Stop calling my phone and now give me peace on the phone. With Alex and Zoe. Alright, my father. See, because you're my father. You know, I pity them thief, my charger. God, no. What kind of pity them let me get, man? You pity the thief, my charger? Oh, shit, man. Oh, God, my this. Only you that, thank God. I pity them thief, my charger, for true. Eh? I don't like you, no, I swear. So my time, I just can't take. God no, I don't have to do that. Go on the bed. Go on the bed. That's it, you go down the bed. Guys, I don't know come out tomorrow. No, talk it choke, man. I can't come out tomorrow, you know. I don't come out. I don't visit no one I say. Come out tomorrow. Let's see. Alright, my phone in charge. Yes. I wish I was there. I wish you guys was here too. Like, it would have been nice. Oh God, you picked them a ramp. They're not gonna drop, you know. Guys, tomorrow at Jabba's big thing, topless party, right? About. Alright, I don't go no time, but I don't want to go no time frame. So guys, Jabba's party at tomorrow. Topless party. It depends on my page. If you can make it to the clothes, just come now. Enjoy yourself. Lord, I don't buy people, you know. I meet so many people since night and it was great. Go look what them do. Go fast, not them business. It's too nice. Guys, tomorrow, I'm going to come out at Jabba's place and we're going there VIP, but we no response. We don't see him. Zoe in my home. You asked me about Zoe in my home. No, so disgusting. Now give me peace. Guys, see Eldino.
I'm my burger there.
Guys, when Eldino fries,
look here.
you not talk to people.
Oh, look here. Tell you want to give me this to my burger. For me, whole of my burger.
Yeah, which part me I get? So you not give me peace? Me and Eldina peace, we are smelly too.
No, Eldina say one piece. Give me a little piece.
So give me peace, yes, and we just are greedy.
You never can people are choo.
Yeah, so what me I get now? The crib.
See there though.
Thank you.
No,
your burger you was saved too long, serve only per month.
Eat this.
Alright, thank you. It is good.
What is? Yes.
Why no more chicken left?
Then Casey and person is a country place. What is name? I think a sandwich.
Doing a big bag.
It's a one. It's a what? It's a
famous. Jesus Christ.
guys. LD in the room here, and no one, nobody sleep. You're going there. Me informer.
And 2 bed here.
LD.
A 2 bed me have to, make shallow there, nobody that they know what of them. Nobody know the side of it.
But tell me about them now. Come have a man bed. Oh, that one they must sleep on.
No, the other bed you sleep on. That's why I'm jump on.
Oh, bad. Oh, this is hot.
In the other first, no smoking. Eldina, the serve here like now go from
Mommy, I'm fat. Yo! Jesus!
Mommy, you're not the manners. You're not the manners. You're not the love. No, you're freaking nuts.
The killer. Killer? Fucked up.
Come on, that people there. They don't have to do that. They need to be fought in a fear room. Come on, exit. See the wedding. Go on. You nasty. Me are dead. Hey. There's no point, Annie. It's nasty, no? You don't? Can you not go party in my room?
Oh, but yeah, Urban. I got wash my arm. Wash my arm now. I couldn't. I got power now.
When you get what you can't purge.
You can't have something now? Now you human being.
You one lady, why you poop?
You mean that you're poop?
You know?
It's too lie.
I mean, it's madam.
How are this?
Yo, Eddie. Me say, but say Eddie, no. Eddie now mash up everything. That's it.
You're hungry.
I remember do that.
I'm smelling.
I'm good.
You good?
I'm fine.
You got lick your pussy one now, you're going to marry down.
So my father was going to see that. You got me.
Where are you in the room? Where are you?
That is just so go see.
So they're right, they're going to move and go back in.
Brother, no bother boom down your whole place.
Oh.
Me eat the sweet corn them.
So it's a father.
We don't know fuck in the kitchen. When they run, tell you it's a big dancer. Then tell you it's a big dancer. Jaga wicked. Not the Jaga wicked. Must think the Jaga now was money. Jaga coming and fully in bed and it's zero. But don't please. Yeah, mango. I'm going to go nyam them. I say I'm going to eat them mango. Them.
Oh, that mango so black.
Because it's sweet.
Look there.
The mango sweet, Wingy.
Look how mango black.
Because it's, don't, look here, stop point up the camera upon mango. Them, because you're not show people them a good mango. But you show mango, wait. This, I want the sweetest mango.
Now eat that. That's why you're fat in there, you're nasty woman. You're nasty, you know. You can't be human being. Yo, movie, just do that when me there now.
Where coming up?
Go on your phone. You're nasty. Yo, you're not. Yo,
Are you a fire back at me? Me not a
Well, me smelling now. You're butting on a conscience. What is?
But you're not, but why you a fire back at me? We stop fire back at me then, I miss you. Yeah, no, may I ask you a question? I can ask you something? What? You don't use the bathroom?
No, I don't.
So you don't use the bathroom?
I use the bathroom, but I don't fart like you.
It stink like.
Mommy, you ever hear me fart in a public or like fart around me?
That's why you have gas, you're a young girl.
Make it keep up coming.
Well, Mary Lee said poop shall be free.
Here, so. We can't do that. My mom now will go through them daily me. Jesus. You want to sleep? Eat this.
I don't eat that way, you not go eat it.
Because we can't eat bread.
I don't want a bread, so you can force bread for me.
No, me can't eat the bread alone.
Yeah, so why you want me eat the bread alone?
Because you the mother.
Yes. Move. Tell everybody good night.
Where you show? How you show?
Say people good night, say good night. Okay, poop, are you cause the people
Don't tell them they lie for me. You know, say me I come out here.
No, cause are you do it and if you tell people say me.
Mommy don't need something with a nasty one. Me not use my button.
When you come on, alright, say good night. Alright, when you tap a bumper cloud nice, huh? Say good night.
Good night, TikTok.
Alright guys, good night. And me tell the truth, it was not me.
Only see for a second, I turn on the camera.
No, me tell it's not
Turn on
me.
the camera, anybody screaming.
When you just make me talk and say good night, you know. Guys.
You're not going to tell no lie for me or frame me. You're not going to do that. You're not frame me if you no fart. So, you know who fart and yourself. Not Mika. Mika don't.
Guys, good night, yeah. Yes, man, is say Mika are you. That's something know, so no believe me.
Actually, your man not take care of you. He come here to go take a sweat for me.
No, when you don't do that, me not no man.
Actually, me attack on him. You don't know that.
Oh. So say good night now and go on in your bed and stop do that in the room.
Go on your bed and stop to lie for me, Mika. Because me don't fart. Never in a sentence.
Tap it nice and when you can say so often. I may I say.
Because I want to make them clear.
So say good night and go on now. Turn on the AC for me.
You know, so you're going to call me later?
For what?
I bet me I lock my door.
Everybody get a room for themselves, so nobody not supposed to reach in nobody's room.
You'll go see you later.
Say good night.
Good night.
You enjoy yourself?
I'm a big dancer.
When the rum tell you he's a big dancer. Hey, when dog is a big dancer.
Yo,
hey.
one shot to give me one wine there, you know.
Tap walk and wine pan people girl pitney. Me no know wrong with you, you know.
If man can...
Guys, let me tell you something about Mika Bo. Since inside me is my bottom, I tell you when though. When it's when you count Mika Bo.
Talk. 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 Mommy talk.
Hold on.
Talk. Give out them, no?
Alright,
everything.
good night guys. Love you so much. Have a wonderful night. God bless and everything. Yeah. Alright, go on now.
I'm not going to any life.
You know, come out there.
No one tell any life, can I go tell them my secret.
Guys, let me tell you, when Mika Bo go
Mommy, me put the juice down my bottom and make it get it hard, you know.
Say, me tell them the truth. Alright guys, No, me not.
Mommy,
Me not say
don't
no.
leave.
You
Don't
say
test
well, lick me for nothing. Me I lick your back, you know.
Don't test it.
Alright, just listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. Don't be flexible. So guys,
Dog. Dog, no. Go, dog.
that's what I know why you don't stop do that.
Yo, talk no man.
Guys, I love you. Have a blessed night. And thank you. Humble, bless yourself. Humble, want to see you here tomorrow. And
Oh, good night.
Yeah, have a blessed night. God bless. And love you guys. When she be done, know you
Any
can.
life.
This is not right. Okay. No, but this is not right. This is a hostage. This is a hostage situation. When you take your back from me,
No.
Alright, guys, bye-bye.
If you tell him the secret about me, come join the matter. Come. Come. Alright, Eddie.
Alright, Eddie. No, I see you.
Come away.
I don't. Bless me. I go on my bed. Cause this situation I get bad to worse. And they same thing. So love you guys.
Bye-bye.
And bye bye. And I will see you tomorrow.
Me not see
I win J down at club. Ah! Done. Bye bye guys. Bye.